That's why Mack is setting the standard once again. With new upgrades to horsepower, torque, fuel efficiency, driver comfort and safety. Our new MP11 780 horsepower engine makes our Mack Superliner and Titan the most powerful conventional trucks on the Australian market. And now available with upgraded 70-inch sleeper cabs. Mack is your home away from home. Out here, our Mack Anthem makes every drop of fuel count. With our new MP8 high-efficiency engine to maximise your fuel efficiency. And out here, the Mack Trident's got your back from every angle, delivering complete visibility and safety on the job site. And all new Mack trucks are upgraded with the Mack infotainment system. For power that outperforms anything. For efficiency that levels up your fleet. For safety that's above, beyond and behind. It's gotta be a Mack. This is the new standard.